This is the function we're going to graph. It will have the basic shape of y equals x cubed. It's going to be moved to the right 5 and reflected over the x-axis. Let's drag the graphing object onto the grid. This is the graph of y equals x cubed. Take the point that used to go through 0, 0 and move it to the right 5, and you can see the coordinates as you move it until you get it at 5, 0. If we take the second dot, we know it's reflected over the x-axis, so the point 6, 1 needs to be down here at 6, negative 1. If you try to take this dot and drag it down here, you move the whole curve. So let's get this back at 5, 0, and we need to use the scale tool. To use it, you click on the curve away from the dot. Now the scale tool is clickable. You can see the cursor changing as we use the scale tool. Notice it takes that second dot and moves it up and down so that we can stretch and reflect as needed. You can hover over that dot without clicking on it to check the coordinates, and then go grab the curve away from the dot until you get the coordinates to 6, negative 1 where you want it. If you had ever clicked away from the curve, the scale tool is no longer active. The way you get it back is to click on the curve away from the dot, click on the scale tool again, and now you can adjust and stretch or reflect as needed.